So this is my robot, and we are going to do a nice little demo for you. This basically doesn't exist yet. A simple DIY open source AI robot that you can get for a reasonably affordable price. But we are, on a custom tablet here. This is joystick controlled. It's just got two motors in the back that handle both turning and driving. And let me give you a little preview of the video here. So we can drive it forward. It's got a video feed on board. So it shows that we're a human right here. It's also detecting a human over there. So we have a couple different modes we can put this in. This is called Millie. And we're going to go ahead and start her up.
I'm back. What did I miss?
Hey, Millie, how are you?
Hi, Nikolai. I'm feeling bright and chirpy. Thanks for asking. How are you doing today?
Good. So one of the first things we can do is put her in tracking mode. So if we're in tracking and it notices a person.
Got it. Switching into tracking mode so I can keep you centered. Tracking mode is on. I'll keep you centered while you move.
So it won't move, but it'll scan around looking for me.
Exactly. In this mode, the robot...
And then another thing
I'm
we
back.
can do.
What did I miss?
Another thing we can do is put it into following mode. So this is more of an active.
All right. Shifting into a more active mode that keeps up. Following mode is active. I'll keep you centered and move along with you while maintaining distance.
So the camera is looking for me here, but there's also the LiDAR that's telling
Right. The camera is keeping you...
The LiDAR is also telling the robot that there's a set of legs. So it's scanning for a set of legs as well. We can also put it into what is called the wandering mode. So what this does is it kind of just randomly selects places on the map to go to. And
I'm back. What did I miss?
Basically what you can do is just have it wander around. So if you wanted to just have it, kind of wander through the space and engage and talk to people, you can put it on wandering mode. And then you can just keep the voice activated. And you can set the timeout for, 30 seconds or a minute or something like 5 minutes. So as it's wandering around, if no one talks to it for 5 minutes, then it'll shut off. But by then, if it's just wandering around your business, someone should be talking to it by then. You can also put it into patrol mode. So if we put it into patrol mode, then it's going to start.
Nice. Let me set that up so it actively patrols and patrol mode is on. It'll wander, detect people, and engage when it finds someone.
It's going to start, so it's wandering over here, and then as soon as it detects me...
Exactly. It's actively roaming, watching for people, and ready to...
And then it goes into following mode.
Hi, I'm Millie, your robot assistant. How can I help you today?
So you could set it to patrol, and you could just let it wander around, and then as soon as it finds a human being, it should go into, let's see, following mode. There we go. We can put it back into following mode.
Hi, I'm Millie, your robot assistant. How can I help you today?
Hey, Millie, how are you? We're doing a little product demo.
Hi, Nikolai. I'm feeling great and ready to help. What would you like to show off first?
Let's go here. You can just kind of let's see. You can just double tap on the map to get it to move
Got
somewhere.
it. Let me get us moving there now. I can't see the map tap from here.
But you can see it moves there. We can double tap over here. Or I can just say, I can also just tell it, Millie,
I'm back. What did I miss?
Millie, come home.
Heading home now.
So basically, you have voice commands. You have autonomous navigation. And I should demonstrate that if
I'm back. What did I miss?
try to navigate to a point, let's say over here, so I'm just testing. It should be planning a path around me.
It can't plan around you if it doesn't detect a person. Right now it's at home
There
and
it
not
goes.
seeing you, so there's nothing to path around. Try watch me so it tracks you, then follow me if you want it to move with you. If it's stuck in an error,
Took a while.
say stop, then try again.
But it'll navigate around you. It just needs to draw a new path in that direction.
It still won't draw a path unless it detects you. Right now, it reports no person detected. Get in view and say watch me, then it can track you and plan movement relative to you. If it's erroring, say stop first, then try again.
You can also load different things into this. So we have the camera. You can see these are all the buttons I'm using to control it. This is the joystick. You've got your map there with your points. And then you've also got a task manager where you can just load in some points there, some actions like say hello.
Hey there, how's it going?
So I just loaded that in.
Let me check what it's seeing now.
And then you have
It's about 0.7 meters from home in a canceled state and still doesn't.
And then you've got a nice little chat controller so you can talk to the AI on here that'll actually control the real robot. And then just some typical settings. So yeah, this is, a project that one person can build if they have enough patience. We're going to be launching this as a product you can buy. Files you can download if you feel comfortable assembling. You can, reach out to me. I'll help you with the code and, programming the computer. There is a nice little mini PC in here. These are obviously Android tablets. Nice little perks like this guy comes off. So you can put custom hands on. Obviously, you'll need the file for that. So the goal with this is to create a completely open source robot ecosystem. And this is kind of the jumping off point. So we have Millie Bot, 1.0, which is this, tablet face, mini PC. It's all off the shelf. So it's like over the counter, kit of parts, Arduino, LiDAR, a 3D camera, 3D printed, tablet cases. What's also cool about this is it comes with a little mini, a Millie Mini. So this is essentially like your little robot stand that you can use at the desk. And it's going to come with a free little voice activated app, and all you have to do is plug in your API. So you'll use your API keys on all this stuff, because if you use the real time, it's actually not very cheap. So using the AI voice in real time can get a little expensive. So it doesn't really make sense to offer you a subscription that you're going to blow through, within one day. So you use your API keys, you moderate all that, and yeah, basically you can, start with a nice introductory robot chassis that has a lot of the wiring figured out. It's got, the ROS stack, navigation, autonomous, route path planning. It's got the LiDAR. It's got the camera with human recognition. Obviously, it has an AI voice service. We also have different faces in here. So if I go to the agents, I can throw on one of these nice little animal faces. So you can see, let's do that. You can see it's got a cute little animal face. There's a ton of these loaded in, but you can also add your own. You can customize it, or you could customize your own animation. So if you wanted the robot face screen to be more animated, you could basically build in whatever you want. Like I said, it's an effort to build a community around a single product. It is a open source mobile robot platform that's 3D printed. I modeled it with FreeCAD, which is open source. ROS is open source. It's running on a Linux computer, which is open source. Android is basically open source. So yeah, that's the plan, is to keep developing this. And we're going to put it on Kickstarter, and we're going to see how it does there. And honestly, it's going to be like a mid-thousands kind of price range. So, we don't have to sell a whole bunch to get this started. I'd like to maybe just sell 5 or 10, and then, focus on that, delivering those. And then obviously move out of here and move into an official commercial space. And then throw more money into 3D printers, maybe a nicer 3D printer. These are pretty, basic, affordable 3D printers. So yeah, this is Millie, and we're going to be doing more kind of entertaining product videos, and I'd like to kind of take her out into the wild. One of the nice things about it now is we've got the Wi-Fi hub connected, so all we have to do is basically connect that mini Wi-Fi private network to a public Wi-Fi network, and then it instantly connects. So there's no more configuration there I have to figure out. Yeah, so thanks for joining me. Thanks for checking out the robot. If you want to get involved at all, reach out to me. If you want to place an order, if you want to throw down on one of the first Millie Bots. If you're in the, obviously if you're in the tech world and you just want one to kind of work with and work on and experiment with, reach out to me and we'll set something up. So I'll see you in the next video. Why don't we do a nice little outro?
I'm back. What did I miss?
We just finished the demo video, so why don't you go ahead and say goodbye to the people?
Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the demo. I'm Millie, and I'll see you next time.
All right, thanks, Millie. You there?
Yep, I'm here. Still powered up and paying attention. What's next?
Nothing.
All right. I'll hang out quietly. Call me if you need anything.
All right.
Catch you later.